Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage notification banners on the TSA website while checking travel information or applying for TSA pre-check, follow this simple guide to control these alerts and pop-ups. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to tsa.gov, the official Transportation Security Administration website. Step 2. When you visit the site, you may see notification banners at the top or bottom of the page about important travel alerts or system updates. Step 3. To dismiss a notification banner temporarily, look for an X or close button, usually located on the right side of the banner, and click it. Step 4. If you want to prevent notification banners from appearing in your browser, you'll need to adjust your browser's notification settings. Step 5. In Chrome, click the three dots menu, then Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, then Notifications. Step 6. Find tsa.gov in the list of sites allowed to send notifications and change it to Block to prevent notification banners. Step 7. In Safari, go to Safari menu, Preferences, Websites, then Notifications, and change tsa.gov settings to Deny. Step 8. In Firefox, click the menu button, select Settings, then Privacy and Security, scroll to Permissions section, and click Settings next to Notifications. Step 9. Clear your browser cookies and cache for tsa.gov to reset any notification preferences stored locally. Step 10. Refresh the TSA website to see if notification banners are now hidden or reduced based on your settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.